Friends, today we will learn about water resource and its characteristics. Water is essential for all the living things and creatures on the earth. The need they need water for their different uses and continuation of life. As you all know, no other planets of the solar system have sign of water except Mars. Earth is fortunate to have abundance of water. It is the only resource which is found in all the three stages, that is in solid, liquid and gas. All the things which satisfied human needs are called resources as rents. That's why water is a resource. Water is a renewable type of resource which makes human life easy and comfortable to create and continue civilization. This is the reason most of the civilizations of the world developed in the river valleys. According to Collins Junior Dictionary, water is a clear liquid that all living things need in order to live. Water and its chemistry. Students, water is a colorless, tasteless, and odorless liquid. It is the compound of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, though it is made up of two gases but is liquid in appearances. Water is a liquid compound which has no shape. Its fixed volume is measured in liters, gallons, and milliliters. You know it very well. As students, you will surprised to know that some objects sink while some float on water. It is very interesting that salt makes water denser. It is easier to float in salt water as compared to fresh water. It would take over an hour for a heavy object to sink 6.7 miles down to the deepest part of the ocean. Water has the property of mixing and dissolving many things. A substance that dissolves in water is known as soluble substance, and the opposite one is called insoluble substance. Sugar, salt, oxygen, and carbon dioxide are soluble substances, while sand and oil, etc., are insoluble substances. The liquid in which the substances dissolve is known as solvent, so we can term water as a universal solvent. Students, water has the property to flow in liquid from higher level to lower level. Water can be made to flow upward by using electric pumps. You have seen it in your villages or in towns also. When water boils, it overflows too. Water molecule expand when it is heated. The expansion of molecules causes overflow. Normally, you know about fresh and salty water, but do you know about saline water, soft water, hard water, and about polluted water? Here is the picture of Ganga Sagar, Sundarban. The ferry transported goods and passengers between India and Bangladesh. If we consider salinity percentage, Van Lake of Turkey has 330 per thousand, Dead Sea has 240 per thousand, and Great Salt Lake has 220 per thousand salinity. Here is the chart for you to understand the occurrence of salt in ocean water. Sodium chloride 27.213 in per thousand gram, that is 77.8 percentage. Magnesium chloride 3.807 with 10.9 percentage. Magnesium sulfate 1.658 per thousand gram and contains 4.7 percentage. Calcium sulfate 1.260 per thousand gram and 3.6%. Potassium sulfate has total quantity 0.863 per thousand gram and considered as 3.6 percentage. Potassium sulfate 0.863 gram per thousand gram and percentage 2.5 gram. Calcium carbonate 0.123 in per thousand grams with 0.3 percentage. Magnesium bromide 0.076 in per thousand grams and have 0.2 percentage. That's how total quantity in per thousand gram saltness in ocean is 35 per thousand and a percentage 100%. Now I have some types of water. You have generally seen water but don't differentiate it between different types of water. I have some types of water for you, that is soft water, hard water, salt water, fresh water, saline water, mineral water, polluted water and distilled water. Now we will see them one by one. Soft water is that water which forms foam easily with the water. Hard water doesn't form foam easily with the water. Salt water, the water with chloride, sulfate and carbonate of sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium is called salt water. Salt water. Oceans have salt water but its occurrences are not equal. Fresh water, the water that does not contains large amount of salt is fresh water. It is found in ice sheets, rivers, lakes, wells and in underground level. The water received on the surface of the earth through rainfall is an example of fresh water. Saline water. This type of water is prepared in a factory for clinical use. Saline water contains sodium chloride and is used by patients when doctors prescribe. Mineral water. The water with added minerals in a standard proportion is called mineral water. Whereas polluted water is that water, the presence of unwanted materials in the water that is harmful, even dangerous to the life after its use is called polluted water. Distilled water, the water in which only the H2O molecules obtained by distillation process is known as distilled water. You have heard the name of these waters but have not differentiated earlier, or you may have know about them, but I have simply differentiated among the different types of water. The geography, water and its geography. Geographically, three-fourths, that is 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, out of which 97.3% is salty and 2.7% is fresh water. The large water bodies known as remains of Panthalassa are called oceans. All oceans are connected to each other. The total volume the total volume of the world ocean is approximately 1.3 billion cubic kilometers and the average depth of ocean is 4,000 meters. On the globe, southern hemisphere has more water, hence it's called watery hemisphere. Earth is also called blue planet and water planet due to the huge occurrence of water. The sources of water are rivers, underground water, atmospheric water, and ocean waters. Now we have the chart that explains the distribution of water in percentage. In oceans, 97.3%, in polar region, 2%, in underground regions, 0.680%, in freshwater lakes, 0.009%, in saltwater lakes, 0.009%, in rivers, 0.0001%, and in atmosphere 0.0019%. That becomes the 100% of occurrences or distribution of water on this earth. Now in this chart we will see the geographical distribution of oceans and seas. Number 1, Pacific Ocean, area 165,246,200 square kilometer. Atlantic Ocean 82,441,500 square kilometer. Indian Ocean 73,442,700 square kilometer. Arctic Sea 140,901,000 square kilometer. Malaya Sea 8143,100 square kilometer. Central American Sea 43,195,000 square kilometer. Mediterranean Sea 29,659,000 square kilometer. Bering Sea 22,682,000 square kilometer. Okhotsk Sea 15,276,000 square kilometer. East China Sea 12,492,000 square kilometer. Hudson Bay 12,323,000 square kilometer. Japan Sea 10,077,000 square kilometer. Andaman Sea 7976,000 square kilometer. North Sea 5753,000 square kilometer. Red Sea 4379,000 square kilometer. Baltic Sea 4223,000 square kilometer. Persian Gulf 2388,000 square kilometer. Laurentian Sea 2378,000 square kilometer. English Channel and Irish Sea 1785,000 square kilometer. Californian Sea 1622,000 square kilometer and Bass Sea 748,000 square kilometer. Thus, the total hydrosphere contains 3610592,000 square kilometer as the geographical distribution. All oceans have salt water. In Pacific Ocean, 49.9%, in Atlantic Ocean, 25.7%, in Indian Ocean, 20.5%, and in Arctic Ocean, 3.9% of all oceanic water is found. 75% of fresh water is found in the glacier and ice sheets of Antarctica, Greenland, and in mountainous regions, whereas 25% of the fresh water is found in rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, wells, and in underground levels. That is the distribution of water, and I have discussed about you, yeah, before you about water as a resource. Thank you.